In this video, we'll be taking a look at some video editing basics. In this video, I'll be using Filmora, which is normally pretty cheap video editing software anyway, but you can find out how to get the pro version for free in another one of my videos that is linked in the video description below. Now, the first thing we should do is create a project folder. This is where we will place all our source videos and save our final exported video. Like I said previously, the software we'll be using is Filmora, which is easy to install and works on both Windows and Mac OS. So the first step in the editing process is to import the footage, which basically means dragging the files into our media album inside the editor. There's one more step to actually putting the files into our video, which is pulling the files down to the timeline. We can zoom the timeline in or out by dragging the time markers above the timeline left or right. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is trim the video clips, which is basically just removing unwanted footage from the beginning or the end of the clip. We can do this by dragging the left or right edges of the thumbnail. If we want to remove something from the middle of the clip, we can position our scrubber and split the video into 3 separate clips and then delete the middle one. Of course, we're going to need to repeat this process for all the video clips, removing the unnecessary parts and consequently reducing the final video's length. If we stumble upon a video clip that is totally useless, we can delete it by selecting it and pressing the delete key. We can also delete files from our media album by pressing the delete key as well. Now that the video clips are trimmed, we can reorder them by dragging them to another part of the timeline. Also, by double-clicking on a video clip, we can adjust the contrast, saturation, and speed. Contrast and saturation can be adjusted to make the videos look better, and we can use the speed setting to speed up or slow down the playback time of a particular clip. If we want to add some text to our video, we can do this by dragging down a pre-made text template, then selecting it and clicking Advanced. From here we can delete unnecessary components, move the text box around, and change the font and size of the text. Adding music or a voiceover to our video is just like adding video clips. Import the audio file into the album, then drag the audio file down to the timeline. Just like the video clips, the audio can be split and trimmed. By double-clicking, we can even adjust the speed or volume, or make the audio fade in or out. Now, I recommend watching your video from inside Filmora before exporting to make sure it looks the way you expected. After this is done, we can click Export, then Create Video. In the Format column, I recommend choosing MP4, and you should probably head over to the quality settings and pick a resolution that matches the source videos. You can do this by right-clicking on a source video and viewing its properties. After you set the export resolution to match the import resolution, you'll probably want to set the quality to best. Now it's a matter of simply naming your video and selecting a location to save it in, then you can go ahead and click Export. Now that your video is complete, you can watch the final video, upload it to YouTube, or share it on social media. I hope this video served as a simple and easy to follow introduction to video editing. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to help support this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.